Yeah, they're gonna clear out the bottom.
Fuck, Eddie, you can't tell both of them was going? I thought only one of them was on.
Like this. What? What are you talking about?
He got in an argument with
What?
I don't know, he left something on.
The stove?
Yeah.
You rent the galley.
Oh, he went the dogs in.
They're clearing it. He's still blasting me. He's like, they're gonna get.
You let the dogs in?
They took a dog in.
I don't think there's no one else in there.
Yeah, but they always check. They gotta get the other guy down.
I just
Look at that gun. It's huge. Like, is this recording? Is that true?
Look at it.
That's what I'm playing, like something to explode.
I'm waiting for something.
I can't hear shit because
Yeah.
Preach on.
he's gonna get into the house.
This guy got
Oh shit, this nigga crazy.
Look at that, they're staring at him. They're still staring at him too. Like they're still staring at him. Oh, look at this guy! Look at this guy! Look at this guy with him. Oh, he lives there. Okay. Got the dog on. Like this recording up there. Like they're looking at him.
He's giving a bravo. I'd hate to be an officer right now.
No, they're talking. Why ain't there no black cops? You're. Oh, he's gonna get him. Like,
Oh shit, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
He's gonna throw his ass in the car. He got the dog there. Watch out, he don't bite the dog.
You heard what he said? He said, why is there no black cops on Hawker?
Hey, you better, if you're the shooter, you better aim right because I want to get shot.
Imagine they get chased. Like they go get him. You better not get in your car. You better not get in your car. You better not get in your car. You better run in your car. He's gonna chase him. Oh shit, coming up.
Oh, he's gonna knuckle up.
He's gonna throw him on the floor.
What is he doing?
Look at him. He's going to the ground. He's gonna throw that to the ground. Oh, he took guys. He took stuff like that. He can't even carry. I like the dog. The dog wants to. Oh, imagine the dog comes out. Like the dog is barking. I'll let the dog out. I'll let the dog out.
Oh shit, the dog.
Yeah, the dog. Like he's trying to jump out too. Look. Oh shit. Hey, watch it. Watch it, watch it! Yeah, that dog. Yeah, that dog is smart. Get back here, get back here. He's gonna miss. Shot. Shot the dog. Man, he was a ghost. That